Getting a medical marijuana recommendation in Missouri is easier than you think. With My MMJ Doctor, your evaluation is fast, hassle-free, and fully online through our HPA-compliant platform. Here's how to get started. Head over to mymmjdoctor.com and select Missouri as your state. Once you proceed further, enter your name, email address, and phone number. Next, choose your visit type and pick a date and time that works best for you. Click Confirm to receive an appointment summary immediately. After that, enter your payment details to book an appointment. Then verify your identity by providing your ID number and a photo ID. Once that is done, fill in your personal details, such as your address, birth date, height, and weight, followed by your medical history, and upload any relevant medical documents. A pop-up will appear to confirm your health record. Give it a quick digital signature to finalize your information. Your consultation with a licensed medical professional from Missouri is then scheduled right away. Most consultations are brief, usually around 5 to 10 minutes, during which the doctor discusses your condition to determine your eligibility. After your evaluation, the certification from the physician must be submitted within 30 days to the DHSS online registry portal. Once approved, you'll receive notification via email. You can then download your MMJ card from the registry portal and purchase medical marijuana legally from licensed dispensaries. So, start your journey towards meaningful relief with mymmjdoctor.com, all from the comfort of your home, and let natural healing become a part of your everyday life with ease.